Hello, YouTube friends and family. This is late night, but I still wanted to tell you about this epic fail. Oh my goodness. I went to Target today trying to create this super Ibotta deal for y'all to try to make it almost free, maybe $10 for all this stuff. The cashier blasted my whole transaction. I don't know if she was trying to do the hookup or what, but it messed me up so bad that I missed about $10 in cash back on Ibotta. I think I can't even pull it back together and figure out what all went wrong. However, what I do know is that I had two of these. She only rung up one. They were supposed to be both gone by Ibotta, so I still got the same deal, kind of, sort of. Then these supposed to be both gone Ibotta, so they were supposed to help me meet my bonuses of $10 and $5, but they didn't, because she didn't ring two of these up and she didn't ring two of these up. She only rung one each. She didn't ring this cranberry sauce up, which should have been free. Oh my gosh. But I'll go through some of the items so you can still try to maybe, my coupon gurus in the group can still try to maybe put a deal together. So onions, I'm shopping for Thanksgiving. Some of this does look like Thanksgiving, as you can tell, but Ibotta had some stuff, like they have this on sale. They have their flour on sale. And they have these on sale, buy one, get one 25% off. So as you can see, that's Thanksgiving. If you don't know how to make your own macaroni and cheese, get some cheese. Cook one of these. Either one. Cook it. Throw it in the oven with melted cheese on top. Your family, and add a little extra milk, your family will not know the difference. So, but that's just a tip from me to you for the non-cookers out there. Okay, these are 4 for $4. The cream soups, and this has a 50-cent Ibotta rebate. And since my microwave is down right now and I have kernels and cameraman's been asking for popcorn, I say let's do this deal so I can show him how to pop popcorn outside of the microwave. That's something he needs to learn. This is a stockpile item, ketchup. We were down to our last bottle, so I said let me get some more ketchup. I did get, it's one other thing in the refrigerator. Cameraman's already been in the food, so that lets you know we needed some of these groceries for right now. Oh, here it is. Just a second. Okay, and that has an Ibotta rebate of $1. This has an Ibotta rebate of $2. This has an Ibotta rebate of 50 cents. This is free if you're new to Ibotta or you met your turkey bonus. This should have been free, but she didn't ring it up at all, so I guess it was free. These are down $1 off in the Target Circle app. Some other Target Circle app. Of course, this was Target Circle app. This is free on the Ibotta app. You get your money back if you met your bonus. So that if you have the Thanksgiving offer and you're new to Ibotta, this would be a great place to go, because you can buy all your free items at Ibotta. And what the real deal is, if you spend $40 at Target, they're taking an additional $10 off on food. So if you work that deal right, you can get you an almost free transaction. Because all your free Ibotta, your $14 turkey, that's $20 right there. And you're going to get your money back from Ibotta. Then you go ahead and get your dressing. This is like 50 cents back on Ibotta. These have a 75 cent, or some of them, one of them has $1 off, I believe. But I believe they at least have all three of these macaronis have 75 cents off on the Target Circle app. And then you get like $1 back on Ibotta on some of them, $1 or 75 cents back on Ibotta. So those are good to get, especially for the kiddos. Get $1 each back on Ibotta for these, and they're $3.99. This is on sale for $1.99. These are 4 for $4, but there's nothing back on Ibotta. I think it's 50 cents back on Ibotta for this. These are buy one get one 25% off. These are buy one get one free on Ibotta. Buy one get one free. We always need these for our preps. 50 cents back, and there were $1.99, I believe. So, not sure. She may not have run that up, child. I don't know what she rung up. And then, of course, I had other stuff, so that even threw another wrench in the plan. So, these pajamas, nice soft pajamas, they are regular $24 and $20, but they're 30% off. So, and then an additional 10% off. So they came to $15 and $18, and they were $29.99 and $24.99. But they're getting great reviews, like they hold up well. And me, I love some pajamas. Hope to be getting a job working from home again. So that will be some new work clothes for me. But this, I just wanted to come quick and share this with you, even though it went all awry, all jacked up. You may be able to have better luck. You may be paying attention. Now I'm gonna tell you what the bigger distraction was the manager in the cashier lines I think she was the manager, in the cashier line singing Christmas songs. I was like, is she really doing that? Are they paying her extra to sing? When nobody's in her line, she's singing Christmas songs. So I hope this helps someone. Oh, this was $1 or $2 back on Ibotta too. I don't know if I said it. I just took it back out. So hopefully this helps somebody put together a scenario. Hopefully put together a absolutely free full Thanksgiving dinner with some of the deals here. I mean, because even with this pie crust deal, it included cinnamon rolls, biscuits, things like that too. So you know how you cook, what you cook. Thanksgiving's going to be light over here. We're going to have the basics. Macaroni and cheese. Even though I'm going to make it from scratch, I'm not going to do the box method. Macaroni and cheese, collard greens, dressing, and I got the free turkey, like breast or roast or one of them things from Ibotta. And that, and I'm going to try to make a sweet potato pie with my sweet potatoes I grew myself. That's what the pie crusts are for. So that is my Thanksgiving. I'm not cooking up all that food to look at for 2 weeks. I'm not going to have that big carcass in my refrigerator. It's two of us. And I don't even really feel like entertaining. I feel like getting through Thanksgiving, cooking some food, having some food for the weekend while I decorate and still clean up and organize and do things like that. But I hope you like this video. I'm talking real fast for it to be almost 10 o'clock at night because I want to go take a shower and get into bed. I'm hoping to get this up tomorrow, so you'll still have time to partake of the deal. Please download your Target Cartwheel app. If you have the card, save an additional 5% and go through those coupons, see what you need, compare them with Ibotta, and, I'm giving you some ideas to get you started. I do thank you so much for watching. Prep and pray. Things are getting crucial right now. Things are getting real crucial. I'm going to do a housing crisis video in a minute. And that'll come probably the weekend. But things are getting crucial. So y'all need to pay attention. Keep your head on the swivel. Prep and pray. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye. P.S. Forgot this. I did have the 2 kombuchas. They have like a $1.25 rebate. So I've been grabbing these and the rebate keeps coming back. So that's another item you can add to your transaction and scenario.